Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Hi, what's up people out there, this is me Chauhan from ashvircreations. Welcome back to another episode of Photoshop. Well, in this video we are gonna show you how you can blend your image to the background. So I will today in this video learn how to blur your background and also the blend your image to the background so that it won't look like edited one. So let's jump to the Photoshop. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, then just subscribe and press the bell icon. Just give me a big thumbs up on this video. Let's jump to the Photoshop. Now open the image which you want to edit. Now just go to this quick selection tool and select on this plus icon to make the selection. Just roll all over the body of the subject where you want to select. Now if you want to select the hairs of the subject, just right click on it and select the select and mask option from there. Now just roll on the edge of the hairs to make the selection on that part. Make sure you have checked this second option, that is refine edge brush tool, and just press OK to make the selection. Now right click on it and select layer via copy to make the duplicate of the selected area, or you can press Ctrl J directly from the keyboard. And now it's time to add some background to the photograph. So I'll add some background. So go to the file, click on open, and just place the background which you already want in your photograph. So let's see, we have opened this background. Now just press Ctrl A from the keyboard to select all. Press Ctrl C to copy and just go to this tab and press Ctrl V to make the paste here the background. Now press go to the edit and just click on the free transform tool, or you can press directly Ctrl D from the keyboard to make the transformation. Now press shift and alt key, hold that shift and alt key and just drag to the upward direction to enlarge the background. Now just place the background on the perspective whichever it is more suitable on your photograph, and hit that enter button. Now just press the Ctrl and just left click on this background layer to select this whole area. Now we want to crop this area, so we will select this crop tool from here and just press enter, so that it will automatically crop that particular area to the final image. Now go to the levels, click on this clipping mask icon and just move the slider to make more brighter, and just like this way you can adjust your tone whichever you want to make, and just merge both the layer. Right click on it and select merge. Now again go to this background and select levels from here and just move the slider. Make sure it is dark as the dark here on the subject. To blend that image, it is very necessary that the proportion of the darkness should be equal to the proportion of the darkness here on the subject, wherever the black area is there on the subject. So I will just make it more black and the dark. Here it seems like almost natural one. Now just merge this both layers. Now the again key thing which we do on every kind of tutorials, that is just to blur the edge of the subject so that it won't look like it is an edited one. So select blur tool from here and make the strength to 100% and just roll on the edge of the subject to make it more blur so that it will look like a natural edited one. No one can identify whether it is edited or the real captured one. This is the very key thing which you have to keep in the mind whenever you do the editing process, because this will really help you to improve your editing skills and just to make your photos look more real and natural. Like this way you have to just erase it. Again, if you don't want some portion, then you can delete or erase it by using the eraser tool. Again, select this blur tool and just do the blurring process. Make sure you have blur on every side of the corner or on every edge of the subject. You never forget to miss any of the portion. Do as much as blur you can, because this is only the main thing that it will glow your image and make the more perfection to the image. And also do on the edge of the face, also on the spectacles, on the goggles area. And finally here we have completed our blurring process. Now we will add some more darkness on the hair. So we will select the burn tool, increase the size of the brush and select the soft edge brush. Now just make the burn on the area of the hairs, just like this way. And here finally we have completed our burning process on the edge of the hairs. So again you can create new layer and select the create clipping mask. Select the brush tool from here. Now select the black color from here and again just paint on the edge of the hair so that it won't look that it is unrealistic. So it will blend your area or your edge of the hair to the background. Again select the nearby brush by pressing Alt key to make the selection of the nearby color. I'll select this black color and just paint over here. Again just select the black color and just you can paint on the edge of the corner of the subject. You can do this kind of to every portion of the subject so that it will look like a real one, and it will just blend your color with the background color. Here you can see a little bit of touching is needed, so I will pick the black color from here and just paint it like this way so that it will blend automatically to the background color. Again you have to do the same process on this side and on this side also. Here also it is required, so you can do it. Now just merge both the layers from here and just click on this clone tool and press Alt key and just paint it. If it is needed, then only. Now just merge both the layers. Now it's time to add some effect to the photograph. So let's increase the darkness or the brightness of the background. So I will go to the curves and just increase the brightness from here a little bit of. Make sure it will not go away from the background, like it is here black on the hairs, so here is also the same proportion of black on the background. It should remain very similar. Now again you have to do is just merge both the layers and just go to the filter, then camera filter, and you can add vignette to the photograph, the blackness, real blackness on the edge of the image. So just go to the FX tab and just increase the blackness from here. You can adjust the feather whatever you want in your image. Now just go to the FX tab, increase this hue and this one. Just like this, so you have to increase it. You can adjust the color of skin from here, yellowish color. Make sure that the skin color should be maintained very properly. And here we have achieved the final skin color on the face. Now you can adjust yourself by increasing the exposure or the contrast or the highlights. If you want to give your highlights, you can do it from here. You can decrease or increase the shadows and the whiteness. Now you can give some more colors to the photograph. Just like this, you can give your photograph an awesome look. And finally here everything is complete. You can give a little bit of clarity to around +5. And just press OK. Now you can go to the selective color, select the black color from here and change the blackness to -8 or something like that. Also you can give a little bit of cyan to the color to around 25%, so that it will look like very moody photograph. Now just merge both the layers and again go to the selective color and select cyan color from here, and you can change the cyan color from here. And on the cyan portion you can just increase or decrease the blackness also. And just go to the neutral color, then again select blue tone, increase the blue tone over here. Just increase or decrease the blackness. Finally, here you can see we have completed our area. Now let's add some bokeh to the photo. Here is our falling snow photograph. Mark all and paste it over here. Press Ctrl D and transform it. Go to the blending mode and select screen from here, so that it will look like very falling snow photo on the image. You can erase it if the thing where you don't need this snow. So just select the eraser tool and increase the size and select the soft brush. Suppose I don't want here on this neck area, so I will just erase it from here. And finally you can see the before and after effect of this falling snow. Erase it from here. Just merge all the backgrounds. So finally press the C from the keyboard and you can see the before and after. Finally we have blended very perfectly the background to the subject. So like this way you can perfectly background or merge your background with the subject. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed, then press the like button and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I will post new videos, and log on to our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new backgrounds, PNG, color lookup file presets, camera preset, lightroom preset for free. Well, thank you for watching. Bye bye till the next video.